So I'll do this one real quick. This one's a little different from what we had. It said, so M is at the coordinate point, let's see, 4, 6. So we're at positive 4 and then positive 6. So that's going to be right here on my graph. This is M. And then M is translated 8 units to the left. So I'm going to do a different color. So that means if we're going to the left, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oops, I didn't. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just so you can see my line there. And that's where we started from. All right, but from there, then it's down 9 units. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Which measurement is the closest distance between M and M prime? So that means, again, we're looking at, so this is 9, and then this is 8. And so we're wanting from here to M prime. So this is our unknown value. So that's X. And if we notice, this is a right triangle. So if I were to draw this as a right triangle, we've got 8, we've got 9. The right triangle, that's an awful right triangle. Oh, I'm sorry, let me redo it. Alright, this is M, this is M prime, this is 9, this is 8, and this is our unknown. So we have a right triangle, and we are looking for our hypotenuse. So we can just add these two together. So 8 squared plus 9 squared is equal to x squared, or you can just say c squared. Either one, I'm okay. It's not particular. This is going to be 64 plus 81, which will be equal to x squared. And put this in my calculator. So 81 plus 64 will give us 145 is equal to x squared. So now let's see. We're going to take the square root of both sides. And the square root of 145 is equal to, it's not exact, so it's approximately, x is approximately 12.04. We know in geometry we would simplify this most likely, but here they're wanting which measurement is closest. 4 is definitely not it, and 17 is too high, 9 is too low, so 12 is the only answer choice. All right, and let me see. Let me look at number 4. All right, so number 4 is, we have a problem. It says, Tamara invests $15,000 in an account that pays 4% annual. Again, this is annual, so that means that that's annual is the same thing as saying yearly. So this is yearly. And then 4%, that's going to be 0.004. Because remember, in order to convert that, we're going to say 4 divided by 100, which will give us, 0.04. 0.04, which will give us 0.04. Okay. And then tomorrow will not make any additional deposits or withdrawals. How much interest will Tamara earn? So we're looking for interest. Will earn in her investment at the end of 3 years. So our formula, again, you can look at your formula chart, is I is equal to PRT. I being the principal amount, which is our invested amount. So we're going to say I is equal to 15,000 times our rate, which is 0.04, times, and then we're talking about yearly, so that's going to be 3 years. So now we're going to put that in our handy dandy calculator. 15,000 times 0.04 times 3, which will give us $18,000, which is F. And let's see. All right, so a aquarium is filled with water. The graph shows the height of water over time as the aquarium is being filled. And which statement describes the rate of change? Rate change, rate change, that's the same thing as slope, okay? We're starting from the origin, or the slope or multiplier. So I'm going to pick 2 perfect points. Now we need to make sure and look what our units are. So if this is unit here is 5, that means that this unit here is, that is going to be 2.5, because that's halfway. So I'm going to pick this point here. Actually, I'm going to look at this point here, and I'm just going to say, because it's through the origin, I can just say 5 divided by 2, which will give us our k value. And let's see. So the height of the water, so then we're talking about for, so as it goes up, the height, is it increasing 20 inches per second? That's a no. The height of the water increases 1 inches per second? No. The height of the water increases 5 per second? No. And the height of the water increases 2.5 per second? That's a yes. Because that's what 5 divided by 2 will give us 2.5. I think. Yes, 2.5. All right, and I'll do the next video, or the next one, the next question on the next video. See you then.